Hi and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to tell you about a very exciting application which is a Google application named Google Keep, and it's going to help you a lot in your day-to-day tasks. Either you are a college student, you are a university student, or you belong to any other field, it's going to help you millions. So now let's do it. Let's go on to the Google Keep application. Keep Notes in the Android. This is the interface which is appear in your screen when you are using it in your Android. For Google Keep Notes, only first two things you need is number one is your Google account, and second thing is you need an internet for syncing your notes, so you can access anywhere by simply logging into your Google account. So let's create a note on it. Simply tap on this plus button on the bottom right. You can give title, okay, title to your note. After that you can simply type notes on the go. I'm going to tell you about the things you can add into your notes. For this you need a bottom right, there's a plus sign, you can tap on it. Number one thing that you can do is take photo. You can take photo from your device by opening camera and add this photo in your note as okay, and you can annotate this photo as well. Second option is add image. Tap on it, adding image. You can add image from your gallery. For instance, I'm going to add a photo from my gallery is this one, a random photo from my gallery, and this is the image. I can tap on this image to view it, and this paint brush is appearing which is showing me this. By tapping on this brush I can annotate this image, okay, make notes on this image, okay. I would like to write any message or simple doodling on this note. It can be done. Long press or double again tapping on the pen, you can change the pen colors, and up arrow creates more color. By tapping outside you go outside, and you can clear the annotations by going into the eraser. Double tap, again tapping on your eraser, clear canvas, clear, okay. Now undo to regain your notes, clear canvas, clear. Now going outside, going back, here is your image. Here are your notes below your image. You can delete this image by going tapping into the image and going top right and delete image. In this way we can add a lot of images into the same document. There is the third thing which is a drawing. This drawing, by tapping on drawing feature, we can simply take written notes. We simply doodle, sketching, or we it can also be used during your presentations and your Zoom meeting, while sharing your screen and making tutorials. It is having same feature like clear canvas, clear, undo to regain your notes, and you can anytime you can add access to it and re-edit your notes. Going back, you can there you can see it saves as image. By tapping again on the note, I am unable to enable myself to again annotate. Tap on the plus button. The fourth thing is the recording, okay. Now you can see what I was saying, it has been recorded. I am going to record my voice for the notes and also convert it into text, so I can share audio file and use it for further. Means you can simply save your ideas on the go by recording your voice if you don't have time to write it anywhere. The last option is addition of checkboxes. By adding checkboxes, you can add any kind of list, and you can delete the list or checking the list you have done the shuffle, second thing, third thing. Okay, and at the end you can delete it by top right three dots, delete or hide checkboxes, means all lists are gone. Another option, that is now on the top bottom I can right, keep any kind of color, like I keep red for urgent, yellow for non-urgent, less urgent, and gray for very unimportant tasks. Also have an option to share our notes, send a note to somebody, Google Docs, and we can also share it as WhatsApp image, email. It also contains option of deleting the note, copy of my note, making copy of my note, two similar notes as I have made the copy of my notes. And this plus sign with the collaborator, this is very important option. By tapping on it, I can add anyone to see my notes and edit it from her screen, from her Android device. The collaborator will appear here, and she or he can easily access your notes. When he or she opens the Google Keep application, your note will appear in her application and she can edit. She and you can edit the note at the same time. Last option I forgot to tell you is the reminder. This bell icon on the bell sign on the top right can set reminder. For example, I want to see this note, pick date and time on 2nd May 8 AM, means tomorrow I would like to see it. I'll save it, and you can here see the reminder is set, so it will appear in my notification bar, and with a bell, small bell, at 8 AM. So it really helps a lot. This feature is very search note like reminders. You can search note by lists, you can search notes by image, a lot of category of searching. Add labels, label, creating new label. I want to name a new label, new. Going back to my note, three dots, label, new label. Okay, in this note I have given it a label of new. So whenever I search new, my note will appear here. So this way you can give any kind of label to notify, to identify your specific note, and search in few seconds. So this is set from the Google Keep Notes. See how simple was it to use the Google Keep application. So this is how you can organize your life. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.